Hey there, thanks for stopping by Manly Bands to check out some of our fantastic products. I've got one right here in front of me called the Physicist, so let's pop inside, take a look, see what's going on with it. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box more, and inside we've got our welcoming you to Manly Bands card. Super important. It's got customer service information on there, but most importantly it's got a compliment over here and links to some of our social media. So when you get your band in the mail, which will be super quick, take a picture, tag us. We would love to see it. Inside, there we have it, the Physicist. It's beautiful. It's kind of got this gray gunmetal finish on it, but more importantly, it's made of black zirconium, and it's got 3mm inlay of authentic Gibeon meteorite. Now that meteorite comes from South Africa and is about 600 million years old, which is as old as what? Time? Time itself? Not really, because what? We got dinosaurs that are 4 billion years old or whatever. Guys, time is relevant, okay? Just like E equals MC squared. That has something to do with time, right? Interesting fact, scientists have actually narrowed down that E does not equal MC squared. Nope. Narrowed it down to 11.5. E equals 11.5. Inside, we've also got this, our black silicone band, so if that meteorite's not feeling right on your finger for the day, that's a good option for you. And we also include some special promotional offers as those become available, so give those a look. We like to partner up with people that we feel are going to offer you great products and give you deals on them. So check all that stuff out inside of your box when you buy the Physicist on manlybands.com.